In front of me is Nubia Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, firstly, to add an audio file, use this plus icon at the bottom right corner and tap on Files. Then select Audio at the top and look for your file over here, in one of those apps, or even by tapping on those three lines at the top left corner, in one of those sources. Either way, after you find it, you need to hold it and hit select at the top right corner to attach it. If you want to add a video file, select this icon of a camera and the photo next to the plus one and look for your video here to add it. Or select folders over here, look for your video, and when you find it, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!